Hi guys, I showed you I bought this in a charity shop for £2. I was very upset when I opened it and found how small the dominoes are. I mean, they're tiny. But we'll have a little go with it. We've got this quick setup idea where you've got various patterns. You have to poke out all the holes. Somebody's obviously already played with this, which is fair enough. Then you put them into this setup here, and then the idea is you place these in here so you get them all lined up quickly. I won't do all of them just yet because I'll show you I've already found a problem with this. So we'll just do a handful. It says give it a tap to get them to all stand up straight. Okay, what we've got is two little metal pegs that move up when you slide this piece, and the same on this side, so it lifts the card, but that metal peg falls out. So if I got to hold my hand on the back of it to hold it in place as it lifts it up. So there you go, it's lifting it up, but they're not standing straight. And the idea is you can lift it all the way up. Same on this side, and you should be able to lift it clear and they will stay standing up. Okay, so there we go. I'll set something up so we can actually see it working, but I'm already very disappointed because these are just so small. It's not what I expected when I bought it. Right, let's see if this first one works. Okay, one down. I can see that you can use just sections of it to develop your, whatever we want to call it, path, direction. Because worst case scenario, you could actually read the instructions, I suppose. Oh, that failed. How about one of these things? Well, I've had a couple of false starts already. I'm now using tweezers because my fat fingers are a problem. The other thing is you don't actually join them together until you've finished. Otherwise, if you knock one, the whole lot will go. So we've got a gap there, we'll have a gap here. I haven't put the middle one in yet. I wanted this one to spiral the opposite direction to the way it's printed, so I've turned it over. I found it was easier to lift it off than use the slider. The next pattern done. just putting the joining pieces in, the bits where I've left, we call them firewalls, and then we'll give it a go. There's lots of pieces I'm not using. I just wanted to get some idea of how it works. Do I need a second camera? I'll put a ball in here. Should go down there, round. Yeah, okay. And maybe lift up the flag at the far end. Shall I push it or shall I rebuild this? I'll rebuild this. It didn't quite make it. Well, that was about attempt number 10 and it still failed. Batteries are running out on the cameras, so that's going to do for me.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.